Good afternoon, guys. We will continue with another topic, which is the trigonometric functions, and we are dealing here with the 6 trigonometric formulas. Introduce number 1 is the integral of sine u du. What you have to do is, again, we're going to agree or conform the u with the du, and then you just answer it with negative cosine u plus c. The second one is integral of cosine u du. Then instead of negative cosine, you will be writing here sine u plus c. Again, the same, you are going to agree or conform the u with your du. Number 3, the integral of secant squared u du. Then the formula of the answer is just tangent u plus c, constant. The same, all you have to do with the 6 trigonometric formulas, you just conform the u with the du. If there are some insertions, then you are going to insert. So number 4, integral of secant squared u du. The answer here is negative cotangent u plus constant c. Then, if you have here integral secant u tangent u du, all you have to write is secant u plus c. Then the last is the integral of cosecant u cotangent u du. The answer is negative cosecant u plus c. Everything with your u just conform with the du. And then we'll have the examples. Okay, we have an example with those formulas. So the instruction usually is integrate the following. Number 1, integral of sine 5x dx. So here, we just look at the u. Our u here is 5x. Then you differentiate. The derivative of 5x is 5 dx. So you will write integral sine 5x. You will notice that your du portion has a 5. So you will be writing here 5. Then dx, since you have written here 5, you just write here 1 over 5. So that it will conform or agree. Now, since already agreed with it, then you will continue with the answer. The integral of sine u du is equivalent to negative cosine. So you write the negative, then write 1 over 5, then cosine 5x plus c. This is the final answer. Okay, number 2 example. Integral of cosine 10 w dw. Okay, you look at the u portion. The u portion is 10w. So differentiating it, du is equivalent to 10 dw. So continue. Integral cosine 10w. You will notice again that your du, you have the 10. So you write the 10, insert 10, then dw. Then you write the 1 over 10, so that 10 times 1 over 10, it will again go back to its original given. And then apply now, since it is agreeing with it with our formula. So the integral of cosine u du is equivalent to sine u plus c. So therefore, your answer here is 1 over 10, then sine 10w plus c. Final answer.